For many homeowners in the villages, energy costs are a growing concern. Warm Florida summers mean air conditioning systems often run overtime, and even the smallest inefficiencies in your home can add up to higher monthly bills. One overlooked solution to this problem is replacing old or inefficient doors. The right door replacement not only improves curb appeal and home security, but it can also play a big role in lowering your energy bills. Why doors matter for energy efficiency. Doors are more than just an entryway, they're part of your home's thermal envelope. This envelope consists of all the barriers, walls, windows, insulation, and doors that separate your indoor living space from the outdoors. When a door is old, warped, poorly insulated, or improperly installed, it allows conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. That means your air conditioner has to work harder to keep your home comfortable. Over time, this constant strain can significantly increase energy consumption, leading to higher utility bills. By investing in a properly fitted, energy-efficient door, you're essentially sealing a leak that could be costing you every single month. Benefits of replacing doors in the villages: lower cooling costs. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced insulation materials and tight weather stripping that minimize heat transfer. In Florida's hot climate, this helps keep cool air inside and hot air outside. The result? Your AC doesn't have to run as often, reducing energy usage and lowering your electric bill. Better insulation: modern doors often use insulated cores, double or triple pane glass inserts, and high-performance frames. These upgrades make a noticeable difference in temperature regulation, especially during peak summer months when temperatures soar. Reduced drafts: even small gaps around your doorframe can let in warm air and humidity. Replacing an outdated door eliminates these drafts, helping your home feel more comfortable without cranking up the AC. Improved durability: new doors are built to resist warping, cracking, and swelling, common issues in Florida's humid environment. This durability ensures that your investment continues to perform well for years, maintaining energy efficiency and comfort long-term. Choosing the right door for energy savings: when replacing your door in the villages, consider these key features. Energy Star certification. Look for doors with this label, as they meet strict government standards for energy efficiency. Insulated materials. Steel and fiberglass doors with insulated cores provide excellent thermal resistance. Low E glass inserts. If you choose a door with windows, low E, low emissivity glass reduces heat transfer without sacrificing natural light. Proper installation. Even the best door won't save energy if it isn't installed correctly. A professional installation ensures an airtight fit that maximizes efficiency. The long-term savings: while door replacement requires an upfront investment, the long-term benefits outweigh the cost. Lower energy bills month after month can help pay for the new door over time. Additionally, energy-efficient doors often increase home value, a smart advantage if you ever decide to sell. Many homeowners also enjoy quieter indoor spaces, as well-insulated doors reduce outdoor noise along with heat transfer. A comfortable and cost-effective home. In the villages, where comfort and lifestyle are top priorities, door replacement is a practical way to enhance both. By sealing energy leaks, reducing drafts, and improving insulation, a new door helps keep your home cooler with less reliance on your air conditioner. The result is not only greater comfort but also noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. If you're looking for a home improvement project that pays off in both comfort and cost savings, replacing your doors could be the simple upgrade you've been missing.